Hey everyone, this is Rajvi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ace English Academy. I'm back with my another video on the parts of speech series, that is adverb and its types. I hope you will enjoy learning, and if you do so, please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon for future notifications. So let's start. So let's start today's topic, adverbs and its types. Let's understand what are adverbs and what are all types of adverbs. So adverb, let's see what is adverb. What is the definition of adverb? An adverb is a word or a phrase that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, expressing manner, place, time, frequency, or degree. So adverb not only modifies the meaning of verb, but it also modifies adjectives and another adverb in a sentence. So why do we use this adverb? Because it answers questions like how, where, when, how much, with what frequency in a sentence. So we get answers for these questions in the form of adverb in a sentence. Let's see examples how it modifies verbs, adjectives, and another adverb in a sentence. See a first sentence, I will eat later. So here eating, eat is a verb. So eat when, later. So modifying verb. So this is adverb. Later is a adverb. A very kind woman helped me. So a very kind woman. So kind is modifying the quality of woman, and woman is a noun. So the words which modify nouns or pronouns are called adjectives. So here this word kind is adjective. So very kind. So here very is adverb which is modifying an adjective. Clear? Coming to the third sentence. Alicia finished the problem more quickly than I did. So see here, quickly you can see here is the adverb. Okay, more quickly is the adverb modifying adverb. So more here is adverb and quickly is also an adverb. Alicia finished. How she finished? Finished quickly, modifying verb. This is verb. Okay, so and more quickly is giving us extra information about the already existing adverb in a sentence. I hope this is clear to you now. So here, see here, as I told you that we get answers for how, where, when, how much, and how often. So when we get answers for how, okay, then it tells us about the manner, okay, how we have to do something quietly, peacefully, carefully, fast, well, clear. And when we get answers for questions like where, it tells us about the place, above, here, outside, behind, down. So all these are telling us about the adverbs of place. When we get answer for when are you going to do? Yesterday, now, soon, today, then. So this is for time. Similarly for how much, then it tells us about the degree, very, often, entirely, enormously, just. So and the last one, how often. So it tells us about the frequency, always, sometimes, often, generally, never. Clear? One important thing here I want to tell you that it is generally understood that all the words ending with ly are adverb, but not always. There are many adjectives also which end with ly, like lovely, likely, silly. lively, costly. So all these are the adjectives, but they end with ly and they are not adverbs. So it's not like that always adverb end with ly. There are many adverbs. You can see here in this chart also. See here, fast, well, all these places adverb, place adverbs above, here, outside, behind, down, today, soon. So they are not ending with ly. Clear? So there are total 5 types of adverbs. Adverbs of time, manner, degree, place and frequency. Let's understand each of them in detail. First type, adverbs of time. So adverbs of time tell us something about the time that something happened, when something happened. So we come to know about the time. So they mainly modify verbs. They can answer questions like when. Okay, see here. Here are a few examples. He came yesterday. So when did he come? He came yesterday. Clear? I want it now. When do I want it? Now. So telling us about the time. I'm going to tidy my room tomorrow. So when? Tomorrow. I saw Sally today. When did you see Sally? Today. So when we get answer for when, we always talk about the adverbs of time. Clear? Adverbs of manner. Next. Adverbs of manner tell us the manner or way in which something happens. Tell us about the way. They answer questions like how. They also mainly modify the verbs. See here. Here are a few examples. He speaks slowly. How does he speak? How? You can see here how. How does he speak? Slowly. So this is adverb of manner. They helped us cheerfully. How did they help us? Cheerfully. So whenever you get answer for how, it's always adverbs of manner. James Bond drives his car very fast. His cars fast. How does James Bond drive his car? So again, okay, drives is a verb and fast is a adverb, and that too adverbs of manner. We normally use adverbs of manners with dynamic action verbs. Okay, normally, but with not with stative or state verb. Okay, so see here, he ran fast. The action verb ran, running is an action verb. Came, she came quickly. Worked happily. So all these are action verbs. For this, you can watch my video on verbs, because there I have uh, clearly explained about all this dynamic verbs and the stative verbs, state verbs. So that will help you. She looked beautifully. So here the sentence is incorrect. It seems strangely. This is also incorrect. They are happily. So you cannot use these adverbs of manner with the stative verbs. Okay, coming to the next, and that is adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us the degree or extent to which something happens. Okay, they answer the question like how much or to what degree. Okay, and they can modify verbs, adjectives and other adverbs as well. Okay, see here example. She entirely agrees with him. How much does she agree with him? How much? Entirely. Okay, so adverb of degree. The answer how much. Mary is very beautiful. To what degree is Mary, or to what, how much beautiful is Mary? So we can answer that very beautiful. So this is the adverbs of degree. He drove quite dangerously. To what extent, or we can say to what degree did he drive dangerously? Quite dangerously. How dangerously did he drive? Or we can say how dangerously he drive? What answer we get? Quite dangerously. So the word quite here is adverbs of degree. Okay. So adverbs of place. Adverb as the word itself, this place itself, and tell you that here the adverb of place tell us the place where something happened. Okay, they answer the question where. Okay, mainly modifies verb. Let's see examples. Please sit here. Where should I sit? So answer for where is here. They searched everywhere. Where did they look? Everywhere. Where did they search? Sorry. So they searched everywhere. Two cars were parked outside. Where were two cars parked? So they were parked outside. Clear? So when we get answer for the question where, it talks about the adverbs of place. So here is the last one, that is adverb of frequency. So what do we understand by adverb of frequency? Adverbs of frequency let us know how often the verb occurs. Okay. Therefore, they mostly modify verbs. These adverbs tend to appear right before the main verb in the sentence. This is very important, that these adverbs of frequency tend to appear right before the main verb in the sentence. So you have to find out the main verb, and just right before that there will be a frequency adverb. They can answer the questions like how often. So let's see how. Here are few examples. Again, always, never, normally, rarely, seldom, sometimes, usually, all these are adverbs of frequency. I always read a book before bed. So how often you read your book? Always. Does he normally walk his dog at this time? So how often? Normally. She usually shops at the Korean market in town. So here we are getting answers for the question how often. All these words are always, normally, usually, and see here daily. All these words are adverbs of frequency. See here last example. They deliver the newspaper daily. How often do they deliver the newspaper? So they deliver the newspaper daily. Okay. So this is adverbs of frequency. So this was all about the adverbs and its types. I hope this is clear to you now what is adverb and what are all types of adverbs. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Ace English Academy.